Hello, everybody in Colour in Your Life land. We're here today excitedly interviewing our latest Colour in Your Life rock star, Geoffrey Blackburn, who has recently broken Colour in Your Life records for the amount of views for his video. And I would like to hand over to Graham and to Geoffrey to introduce this man. And Graham, maybe you can start with just telling us a little bit about Geoffrey and how the relationship first started.
Yeah, absolutely, Nat. Well, it was about probably about 9 months ago that I first contacted Geoffrey, and we started to have a chat, and I had seen his work and was absolutely mind-boggled by what I saw. It was just incredible. I just had trouble understanding that they were actually paintings and that somebody could sit for that long and do what he did, which was extraordinary. But we did get to know each other over the phone, and then Geoffrey just said, yeah, look, this is something that I'd like to do. And Geoffrey was in Salt Lake City, and we flew to Utah. We ended up filming 5 or 6 artists in Utah while we were there, which was great. Really nice state. People were fantastic. And then went from there. But Geoffrey, literally, the numbers on Geoffrey's were the fastest climbing. They're not the largest, of course. We have shows that are getting close to 1 million views now. But for the first week, it was quite phenomenal. And I think that the amount of people that came in that were also quite mind-boggled by the fact that they were looking at this artwork going, there was one person that made a comment, this is not humanly possible. So I said to Jeff, you've just gone into the realm of gods. So it was pretty amazing. But yeah, we had a fantastic time with Geoffrey. Incredible man. Writing a book, he teaches psychologically, not just so much, pick up a paintbrush type of thing. And, we're hoping to get Geoffrey down to Australia at some stage in the future to be able to do some workshops down here and show people how he does. But Jeff, what did you think about the responses when your show went to air? And remember, we've only just put that up on YouTube. We have all of these other platforms that this will be going into over the next 12 months. We're just going to keep feeding it out to the systems across the world. But what do you think so far about what we've done for you?
Well, there's actually one kind of really large downside, which is you don't get to sleep a lot because you're spending so much time responding. Because there's so bloody many people, getting in touch with you and so on. So it's like, if I had hair, it'd be on fire. I mean, it's astonishing. It's just blowing my mind completely. I couldn't believe it. It's like, I didn't know you guys were going to post it when you posted it. And then I get an email saying, hey, you posted it. And I looked on the platform. And I just went, I couldn't believe it. It's been kind of sort of like surfing on a tidal wave, hanging 10 and it's kind of, oh my God, it's like, whoa. So yeah, you guys are just unbelievable. You guys are off the hook.
That's fantastic. We generally set out to do the right thing by everybody. I mean, are you satisfied with what we've put together for you, and you satisfied with the follow-up? I mean, obviously you've had people come into your studio that want to see work, that want to buy work, and your paintings sell up to $100,000 each. It's just quite phenomenal. I mean, it's worth every cent of it by any means. But and this is going to go on for you as well. I mean, this isn't the end. I mean, this is the start of the journey that you're going to take with us basically for the rest of your life. We'll continue to do this and expand it and work with you on hopefully other projects in the future. But we're just really happy it's worked out the way that we would hope to have done for you.
I'm beyond satisfied. I'm actually really thrilled with the whole thing. It's like it's just got my creative juices flowing, and I'm looking forward to. I'm thinking of a bunch of other possible ventures we can do because you guys have a marketing juggernaut going here, and it's just you're a visionary and you're doing something really cool for the art community. And this is just amazing what you're doing. Your whole staff is just remarkable to work with, and you guys are amazing. You're just totally amazing.
Is it something that you feel that you could recommend to other people?
Oh, absolutely, totally. But like I said, the caution is don't plan on sleeping and make sure you get yourself a flameproof suit.
That's great. Well, we're just really happy, and I think It's night time where you are now, and there's probably snow outside.
Yeah, it's just a little nippy right at the moment.
I bet we're in the middle of the summer, but and it's amazing, as I've said before. I mean, here we are. We're in Australia. It was an idea that I came up with that I thought would hopefully help everybody out that sort of had the vision to be part of this. And you coming on board is sort of part of that brickwork, those foundation blocks to build this database of people. I mean, in 20, 30 years' time, when you and I are gone, we won't really be gone. You know, this will be there for other people to see and to learn. And hopefully, as you said, we're going to be able to do other projects with each other that enable that information that you've been able to put together over the years. As one lady said, who's one of the great entrepreneurs in New York, Renee, she just said, you're basically a living treasure in the United States and probably one of the greatest realist landscape artists that actually exists. And I would just say that's the truth without a doubt. You're an extraordinary human being, you really are.
Geez, I'm blushing all the way up to my bald head.
But we didn't want to take up too much of your time. Nat, is there anything you'd like to say to Geoffrey at all?
Geoffrey, it's a pleasure. I loved watching you paint. I loved the details. Even the tiny little rocks had shadows. It was mind blowing, and I'm sure most of the world will be mind blown by the amount of details and care you've taken into recreating our beautiful earth. And I just want to give you gratitude and say thank you very much for sharing your skills and also your heart to the world. Yeah, so big gratitude to you. Thank you.
No, it's my pleasure. I'm really looking forward to doing some workshops with you guys. And you know, basically anybody can do. Anybody can create. Everybody, in fact, everybody does create. Everybody's going to create in their own voice. And I just do what I do. And like I said in the video, I'm kind of I guess I'm sort of the emperor of the anal retentoids, which is sort of an alien species that comes from another planet, which is, you know, whoever nailed it. I'm not really fun here. And, you know, so that everybody can do this, can do what they do. And I'm just happy to share what I know. So I'm grateful for the platform, and I'm really grateful to work with you guys. You guys are off the hook. So I totally recommend this.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate it, bud.
Okay, well, we might end it there. And thank you so much, Geoffrey, for your time. For you viewers who want to see more, make sure you go to coloringyourlife.com.au. We have many artists that we want to share with you. And you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is on Coloring Your Life. And we want to see you. And don't forget to put some color in your life. I love saying that. Right, see you later.
Yeah.